Hi, I'm Andi Hall with Coldwell Banker. I feel so fortunate to be doing something I'm so passionate about, whether that's helping someone find their first home ever, a sound real estate investment, or perhaps a tenant for one, or when they need to reach out and get my expertise and advice on what it takes to get their property sold. I started real estate in the late 80s in North Carolina, later was licensed in Tennessee prior to moving to beautiful Sarasota, Florida. People wait all year long to vacation where I get to live year-round. This is a great place to call home. You know, people need an agent that is going to listen to them and be understanding of their wants and their needs. I'm not a part-time pastime agent, and I pride myself on giving my clients my full-time attention. I surround myself with a team of industry professionals that make the entire buying or selling process as easy as can be. So whether you're in Sarasota, Manatee, or Charlotte County, always remember, for all your real estate needs, Andi Hall is the one to call.